Hello? You paid your credit card this month. You did the right thing. But your balance barely moved. You paid $60, and the number is still almost the same. How? You paid, and nothing changed. That's not normal. That's by design. This is how credit card debt works, and most people have no idea it's happening to them right now. Every month, your credit card has something called APR, annual percentage rate. It just means yearly interest. At 24% APR, the bank charges 2% of whatever you owe every single month. 2% per month. You owe $3,000. 2% of $3,000 is $60. That's what the bank adds to your balance every single month. $60 of interest, just for existing, before you pay a single cent. The minimum payment on $3,000? Around $60. So you pay $60. The bank takes $60 in interest, and $0 goes toward your actual debt. $0. Your balance didn't move. You paid $60 for nothing. 1 year of minimums. You paid $720. Debt, still $3,000. 5 years of minimums. You've paid $3,600 in pure interest. Debt, still almost $3,000. You ran for 5 years and went nowhere. It's a hamster wheel made of money. You keep paying. The wheel keeps spinning. The bank keeps collecting. And you never actually get anywhere. So how do you actually get out of credit card debt? There are 2 moves. You only have to do them once. Move 1. A balance transfer card. These are credit cards that offer 0% interest for a promotional period, usually 12 to 18 months. 0%. That means no interest added while the promotion lasts. You transfer your existing $3,000 debt to this new card. Your 24% interest disappears. For 18 months, your debt is frozen. It stops growing. Now you can actually fight it. Move 2. Take your debt, divide it by the months you have at 0%. 3,000 divided by 18 is $167. That's your monthly auto payment. You set it once. Never think about it again. 18 months later, debt is gone. Total cost, there's a transfer fee, usually 3%. On 3,000, that's $90. 90, not $3,600. $90 to close a debt that was eating $60 a month forever. Path 1. Minimums forever. 5 years, $3,600 in interest, still in debt. Path 2. Transfer plus auto pay. 18 months, $90, done. You saved $3,500 with 2 decisions. The minimum payment feels lazy. It's the easiest thing to do. But lazy is expensive here. The actually lazy move, the one that costs 0 mental energy after setup, is the transfer. Step 1. Search for 0% balance transfer cards. Pick one with at least 12 months promo. Step 2. Move your debt. Step 3. Divide your balance by the months. Set that as auto pay. That's it. You're done. Set it. Forget it. Go take a nap. Your credit card debt doesn't need you to panic. It needs a system. Subscribe for more lazy money moves. Next one drops soon. I'm going back to sleep.